Taanis, Perek Beis, Mishnah Beis. Amdu B'Tfilah. When they stood up to daven on these 7 fasts, Moridin Lifnei HaTeva, they would send down in front of the Aron Kodesh. In other words, they would appoint as the Chazan, the Shliach Tzibur, Zakeh, someone who was an elder, V'Ragil, and someone who was familiar, very familiar with the davening, so he wouldn't stumble over it. V'Yeshlo Vanim, someone who has children, because then he'd be more motivated to daven well, so that his children will get food. Uveso Rekam, and his house is empty. Now that either means it's empty from food, he was poor, so he'd certainly need rain, or it means his house was empty of Averos. In other words, he has a clean slate from his childhood, and therefore he'd be one who'd be better to daven for everyone else. Kedei, in order, Shihei Libo, that his heart should be shalom, should be complete. But Tefillah, when he davens, he should daven with great kavanah. Va'omer lifnehem, and he would say in front of the tzibur, Esrim va'arba brachos, 24 brachos. Now normally in Shemona Esrei we daven 19 brachos. Shemona Esrei means 18, but they added a bracha of Vila Malshinim. So in addition to those 19 brachos, they would add 6. Now 19 plus 6 is 25, but when it says here 24, it was before they added Vila Malshinim. So it was 18 plus 6. Shmona Esrei Shebachol Yom, the 18 that are said every day. Umosif Alehem Od Sheish, and then he would add an additional 6, which the next Mishnah will discuss. So this Mishnah is telling us that they would be more particular in who they chose as a chazan to daven, and that they would say 24 brachos in the Shemona Esrei.